What's up, everyone? Welcome back to. I'm Rashid Malik, and today we're going to talk about the top 5 muscle building mistakes that are killing your gains. If you're busting your butt in the gym but not seeing the results you want, chances are you're making at least one of these common mistakes. I've been there myself, putting in the work but not seeing the muscle growth I expected. But here's the thing, once you fix these mistakes, you'll start seeing faster progress, better results, and most importantly, more muscle. So, stay tuned because this information could be the game changer you need. Alright, let's dive into it with mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. Improper form. First up, we have one of the biggest mistakes I see all the time. Improper form. If you're not executing your lifts correctly, you're not just limiting muscle growth, you're also risking injury. Take squats, for example. If your knees are caving in or you're leaning too far forward, you're putting unnecessary strain on your joints and missing out on a full range of motion. To fix this, focus on doing exercises with proper technique. That means starting with lighter weights and mastering the form before adding more resistance. Get someone to film you in the gym or work with a trainer to ensure you're hitting the correct movement patterns. It's not about how much weight you can lift if you're not doing it right. Focus on quality reps, not quantity. Mistake number 2. Not eating enough for nutrition. Next up is mistake number 2. Not eating enough. A lot of people think that just hitting the gym is enough. But if you're not fueling your body properly, your muscles don't have the nutrients they need to grow. Muscle growth requires a surplus of calories, especially protein. You can lift all day, but if you're not consuming enough protein to repair and build those muscles, you're just spinning your wheels. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. A good rule of thumb is to aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, and don't be afraid of carbs. Carbs are your body's primary source of fuel, and they help you power through those tough workouts. So make sure you're eating enough to support muscle recovery and growth. Mistake number 3 is a big one that most people overlook. Insufficient recovery, or in other words, overtraining. Here's the deal. Muscles grow during recovery, not during the workout itself. If you're hammering the same muscle groups every day, you're not giving them enough time to repair and rebuild. I know it can be tempting to work out every day, especially when you're motivated. But rest days are just as important as training days. If you're constantly sore or fatigued, that's your body telling you it needs a break. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours a night, and taking at least 1 or 2 full rest days per week. And on those rest days, incorporate active recovery like light stretching, walking, or foam rolling. Alright, let's talk about mistake number 4. Not following a structured program. Too many people just wing it when they walk into the gym. Maybe you do some chest today, a little back tomorrow, but there's no real plan. If you want to build muscle effectively, you need a program that incorporates progressive overload and balances out all the major muscle groups. Random workouts lead to random results. A structured program ensures that you're progressively increasing the load and volume over time, which is key for muscle growth. This also helps you avoid overtraining one area while neglecting another. Find a well-rounded program that includes all your major lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench press, and rows, and make sure it progresses week by week. Track your lifts so you know when to increase weight or reps. And finally, mistake number 5 is something that might not be on your radar, but it's crucial: ignoring the mind-muscle connection. When you're lifting weights, it's not just about moving the bar from point A to point B, it's about actively engaging the muscle you're trying to target. If you're doing bicep curls but you're swinging the weight or not focusing on the contraction, you're missing out on the benefits. Slow down your reps, focus on squeezing the muscle at the top, and control the movement on the way down. This connection between your mind and muscle will help you maximize each rep and promote more muscle growth. Try to visualize the muscle working as you lift. It may sound simple, but it makes a massive difference in your results. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 muscle building mistakes that might be slowing down your progress. Let's quickly recap. 1. Improper form. Always prioritize good technique over heavy weights. 2. Not eating enough. Make sure you're fueling your body with enough protein and calories. 3. Insufficient recovery. Take rest days and prioritize sleep for optimal muscle growth. 4. Not following a structured program. Get on a solid plan that progressively overloads your muscles. 5. Ignoring the mind-muscle connection. Focus on form and engage the muscle you're working. Correct these mistakes and you'll start seeing gains faster and more consistently. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not just harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below with your biggest muscle building challenge. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on building muscle, staying fit, and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.